Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Databricks SQL step by step clearly. To register with Databricks SQL, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Databricks website. Look for the option to sign up or register. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address and confirm it. Create a strong password for your account. Make sure your password meets the required criteria. After entering your details, click on the Get Started button. You may receive a verification email. Check your email inbox for the verification message. Open the email and click on the verification link. This step will redirect you back to the Databricks site. Once verified, you will be asked to complete your profile. Fill in the required fields, such as your name and organization. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. Once you agree, check the box indicating your consent. Now, click on the Continue button to move forward. You may need to select a specific workspace or create a new one. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your workspace. Choose the plan that suits your needs, if prompted. Complete any additional steps as required by the platform. Finally, you should now have access to Databricks SQL. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and interface. You are now ready to start using Databricks SQL. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.